Hi, it's me again, Ivy, and I'm doing part 2 really. And so this video, I'm going to show you, make sure I got it together first, is my Ipsy Plus. They call it Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but there's no bag. There's never a bag. Anyway, it's a glam box, and it's a glam box plus. They should just call them the glam bag and the glam box. Yeah, they can call them whatever they want. Anyway, this thing is dive in. Dive in, boys and girls. Summer's in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill, poolside vibes going all month long. Okay, this is a little book that comes in. Ta-da! It has all the products and prices. Alright, excuse me. First we have the Pixie by Pet Shop. This is the Glow Mist. It's $15. It's a fantastic price. Pixie has great products. I think they're really undersold. This one, let me see. I'm going to read it from here. $15. 13 natural essential oils like rose, flower, and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts. I should have this here, like, you know, those the teleprompters they use. That's a good idea. Okay, so anyway, you can put it on your skin before makeup, after makeup, with no makeup, like right now I have. Ah, it smells good. It smells very good. I like it. And now I have 2 of these because I also have this one. Need my glasses. I also have this one, which is the Makeup Fixing Mist. This is kind of a rose, and this is the Makeup Glow Mist, the Pixie Glow Mist. Very nice. Yay for me. I'm getting a collection here. But I'm happy that they put that in. Okay, now, put my other one down. Alright, next, I'm very excited about this. Luxme. It's LXMI, but it's pronounced Luxme. And what it is, this is called Pure Nilotica Melt. Okay? Nilotica is the fruit of a tree that grows only along the banks of the Nile River, in the mouth of the Nile, which is in Uganda. And it's a cousin of shea butter, but it's much more intense than shea butter, much more nourishing, and it got some more good stuff in it. Let me see if they say anything here. I read a whole bunch of stuff about it, but you know what? By the time you get 58, you don't remember things like you used to. You know, like some things just go in one ear and out the other. But let's see what this is. 100% organic, vegan, cruelty-free moisturizing balm is made with one single ingredient, the Nilotica nut. Keep it on hand and on your hands to quench dryness anywhere, anytime. This is a total multitasker. Apply it all over your face and lips before bed as an overnight mask. Reach for it to moisturize your elbows, hands, and or feet. It's just a really intense, fantastic moisturizer. And I'm going to be using it, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know if it's all lies or if it's true. And it is true. Alright, so that's the Luxme. It's, I think, kind of a new brand. I don't know. I can't remember all the things I read. Well, I haven't been feeling good. I'll be honest. I haven't been feeling good this week. And that's why I haven't got the videos up until now. So thank you for your patience, compassion, and I really appreciate you. All my friends, I love you. Okay, so next, I'm excited to try this. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I've heard rave wonderful things about. OMG, Superhero. 90%, wait, hold on. I keep losing that. Found it. 96%, well, said lashes look stretched. Saw dramatic volume and length, plumper looking lashes, fuller lash line. Anyway, it's mascara, but it's it Cosmetics, really good stuff. You see the things before and after. Should we give it a try? Just to be silly. Okay, I'm just gonna try a little bit right here in the computer. So let's see how this, and let's see how the thing looks. Very nice. I like that type of brush. We actually do it through this side because my hair's getting stuck and everything. My eyelashes are so light. I always have to do several coats. Like, you know, 2 or 3 coats. But yes, we can see the difference. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, I have to make them even. Be right back. Okay, don't push the off button, Ivy. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty nice. It went on nice. It feels good. It doesn't feel really heavy, and that's just one coat. Still wet too. See? But it feels really good. Right on. I like that mascara. Ooh, I can't wait till I do my makeup look and put it on. Okay, now look, it makes my eyes look big. Okay. All right, next we got, what does it say about this? This is really good high quality. It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black. Value $24. 24 bucks. That makes sense. Say anything important? You want long, lifted, defined. It did kind of lift and curl my lashes, though. I did notice that. It did lift them up. I didn't curl them first or anything. Mind you, this is how I usually wear mascara, but that was just a quick little demo. Alright, so yeah, it says it's long wearing, so you hardly need touch-ups, even after hours of wear. That's good. It's got polymers, biotin, which is a protein, I think, and peptides to strengthen, polymers to lift, and collagen, yeah, collagen to build up your lashes from the inside out. And it's a specially designed wand, which it did grab all the lashes. I really appreciated that too. Okay, so yeah, good stuff. Alright, next, I'm excited about this too. Gold Faden, I'm sorry. Dr. Gold Faden. Wah, wah, wah. Okay. Dr. Gold Faden, MD. Bright Eyes. Value $55. Yikes. This eye cream gets straight to the root of your under eye issues because there's only so much concealer can hide. Formulated with rice bean extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica. Wow, that's cool. Arnica. That's for taking down inflammation. It hydrates and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Plus, it absorbs super fast so you can apply your makeup ASAP. Apply a drop to your under eye area in the patting motion using your ring finger for fast results. For fast results, use morning and night on clean skin. Well, my skin is clean. So, let's give it a go, shall we? It doesn't say shake it up, and I don't hear anything when I shake it up either. Okay, let's check it out. Wait, I have to make it start coming out first. Come on, gold baby. I hear it. Come on, whoa. I'm not going to say what that reminded me. Yeah, I'm not going to say nothing if I stick my foot in my mouth. My mom told me a long time ago, think before you speak, Ivy. I'm just now catching up to that. Usually. So let's try this. Okay. Just pat it on, right? Oh, they say with your ring finger. Did you know that's because this is your weakest finger? They always say put everything on with your ring finger, but you know, if you're paying attention, then I'm just gonna put some here too. Why not? You know, I mean, if you're purposely very careful and gentle, then you can use another finger. But you know, your ring finger is your weakest, therefore your automatically most gentle finger, which you probably already know, but maybe not everybody knows. So I try to pass on the knowledge. That's why I like when I look at other people's videos. Sometimes I go look up at stuff at Google and answer stuff that they don't know. You know, like sometimes people go, oh shoot, I hope I'm pronouncing this properly. So I go look. Then I find interesting other information about something and can pass it on. You know, I think this is already dry. Oh no, it's not tacky. It's not tacky at all. Okay, what's it feel like? Very cool. It feels moisturizing. Are my terrible wrinkles gone? I don't know if it's one of those things. You know that stuff that they always show videos and people are going like this and then boom, you sit there and watch it for 5 minutes and then all their wrinkles are gone and they're like, you know, 10 years old all of a sudden. Okay, that feels good. So yeah, it's not, it doesn't sting, it doesn't feel oily, nothing like that. So that's nice. And last but not least, Huda Beauty. She's so pretty. Yeah. Hi, Huda. And this is the, what do they call it? Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. So if you're tired of looking flat, get the 3D highlighter palette. Okay, ready? OMG. Wow, I almost went blind. Look at the beauty of that. Oh, shoot. The camera doesn't even do it justice. Ooh, holy smokes. Wow. Oh my gosh, give me some glasses. Let's see. Give me this. Okay, which one's supposed to be for what? It even gives you instructions. And that's super, super great. Number 1, prep. Apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light, reflecting pearls. Well, then number 2, you're supposed to set with this one. And it's called Santorini. Hey, just like my lipstick I got in boxing. Yeah. Set. Dab Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Then sculpt with the Azores Azores is right there. Wow. Apply Azores under cheekbones to add dimension and shape, and then flush. Okay. Sweep Ibiza. That's Ibiza. Sweep Ibiza on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Should we try it? Well, we're 15 minutes already, so well, let's just kind of see what this stuff looks like. Ooh, golly. This is supposed to do what? Prep? Oh yeah, oh man, that one's creamy. I'm not kidding you. Oh man, it didn't give a warning. Well, this is supposed to prep it. Well, I guess. Okay, let's prep it a little. Ooh, oh cute, that's shiny too. Well, that's cool. Then what did it say? Number 2. Get this from your temple. I'm not using a highlighter brush, but that's it. From your temples, down your cheek, top of your cheekbone, you feel it right here like this. You can feel the top of your cheekbone under your eye. That's the cheekbone there. Ooh, that's kind of pretty, isn't it? Cheekbone kind of ends over here, so that's why I think. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I see you, Huda Beauty. Alright, then what? Then do the sculpt. Apply this. Oh, I want under the cheekbones. Okay, so then you put some of this, the Azores, oops, under the cheekbones, which you can feel right here. You know, I should probably have foundation and everything on. Whoa, I'm shiny as heck. That's cool. But, yeah, not for an old lady. But I'm not an old lady. Compared to God, I'm really young. Look at that shininess. This gives a whole new meaning to getting a shiner. But it's fun anyway. I'm not going anywhere. So I can play. And next, I'm just using the same brush. This, I don't know, what is it? It's number 114. I got these awesome brushes from BH Cosmetics. Okay. You are the apple of my cheek. Forever you'll be on my face. I hope. Alright, let's put it on this side. I should do a comedy show with this stuff. Hang on. I'll teach everybody how to do it all weird. Alright, well, that's that anyway, so. It was a kind of a bad demonstration, but you know what? That's okay. I don't look like this. Huda Beauty. Yeah. Hi, everybody. I'm Huda. I'm Huda. Hi, Huda. Hi, Ivy. Hi, Huda. Anyway, okay, enough goofing off. Thanks so much for watching and having fun with me. I'm going to do a whole makeup video at another time with Tetris, like I promised. For the meantime, this was fun, and I can't get it back in the thing. So anyway, thanks again for watching. I love you so much, more than you know. This means so much to me, honest to God. Don't forget to join my giveaway. The winner is being announced on Monday. And we'll see you next time. Love you. Take good care of yourself and take good care of each other.